So as you can see, M11, M22, V13 and V23, similarly F11, F22 and these terms, we'll try to understand it through the figure. So let us draw a cell element. So basically your cell element is a 3 to 4 noded element having 6 faces and a certain depth. So now talking about the forces, firstly we'll talk about shear force, axial force. And for axial force we had F11, F22 and F12. So F11 being the axial force along axis 1 and this F22 being the force along axis 2 and F12 is a force that acts on the plane 1, 2. Now as I said, F11 being force along direction 1. So from this face it will act in this direction. So this is F1, that is along axis 1, and it will be F1 in this direction as well, but in another direction. Either that can be compressive or tension. Similarly along axis 2 it will be F2, and in this direction it will be negative or in opposite direction, so this will be F2. So axial force F11 and F22 are the force that acts along the axis respectively, and F12 being in this this is also known as shear plane, that the force acts on the shear plane, F12. Now another we had is about shear force V12 and V23, but before that let me make it clear about moment M11 and M22. So let us take this axis and along this direction. So M11 basically means moment about axis 1. So considering this face, so the moment in this way will be moment M1, that is moment along axis 1. Similarly moment along axis 2 is M2. Now what will be the rebar placement then? Arrangement of rebar. As I said, the rebar provided to resist M11 will be placed along axis 1, and moment rebar provided to resist M2 will be provided parallel to direction 2. So now let us place the rebar. So we are representing one as red, so let me take one color red and I will provide the bar. As I said, it will be parallel to axis 1. So the rebar will be placed in this way, that is parallel to axis 1, and the same concept will be used for local axis 2, that is moment along axis 2 M22. The rebar will be placed parallel to axis 2, so the rebar will be placed in this direction. As we know that the shear strength of concrete depends upon the percentage of area of steel in the concrete. So we have a rebar in two direction and we also have shear force in two direction. So which of the rebar will help to counteract the shear force? So as you can see, V13 is the shear force along plane 1-3 and V23 is the shear force along the plane 2-3, and for resisting the shear force the bar should be perpendicular to the plane. And if we see V13, the bar perpendicular to the plane 1-3 is the second, that is bar along axis 2, and similarly for V23 the bar perpendicular to the plane 2-3 is the bar in direction 1. So for resisting V13, bar along direction 2-2 is responsible, and similarly for V23, bar along direction 1-1 is responsible.